Hi everyone and welcome back. In today's video, how to enable autofill OTP in iPhone in simple steps. So, let's dive in. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone, then tap General. Scroll down and select Autofill and Passwords. Make sure Autofill Passwords and Passkeys is turned on. From here, you can also choose which apps you want to use for autofilling passwords and verification codes, like the Passwords app, Google Chrome, or Google. Next, look for Delete Verification Codes after use, and turn it on if you want your used codes to be removed automatically. Now, whenever you receive a verification code through a text message or email, your iPhone can automatically detect the code and suggest it above the keyboard, so you can fill it in with just one tap. And that's it. This is a simple way to make logging into your accounts quicker and easier. If this tip helped you, like the video, subscribe, hit the bell icon for more quick iPhone tips. Thanks for watching.